In this video, we'll see how can we set the prospects list and make cold calling inside the smartphone using SmrtDialer, and once the prospect is found interested, we can push it into Podio as a lead. So, firstly we will create a new campaign by clicking here. Then we will assign a name to the campaign. Enter the caller IDs from here. After adding the information, we can save a campaign by clicking here. From here, you will select the lead source, which will either be Podio or Excel. We will select Excel as a lead source from here. Before selecting a sheet, you can view and download the sheet template by clicking here. After that, I select a desired file. After selecting a file, we will save it here. Now you can map the data in basic and addressed sections according to the sheet information. You can create fields in the source columns such as the campaign seller's first name, last name, phone number and email of the desired campaign. After that, you can also create fields in the address details section. You can also add some additional details if you want. Now you can proceed by clicking on Start Import from here. Click on the settings. From here, you can add some wrong number filters. From this column, you can add some filters regarding the status. After making changes, save them by clicking here. Now click on the CRM Apps section to create apps for seller leads and properties. From here, select the organization, workspace, and the app. We have a relation for property address in seller leads, so we need to make sure to map property fields to the Properties app here. This is when mapping Podio fields with SmrtDialer, and the app will be added by clicking here. Now we will create the Seller Leads app in the CRM app as we created the previous one. And the app will be added by clicking here. Shown here are two apps I've built recently. Here we can add the call script that we need to use while cold calling. You can write the information you need to get from prospects. Here mapped lead fields will be replaced by prospects' information like name and address while running the campaign. Save the script by clicking here. Now take a look at the permissions. If you have no issues with the permissions, click on Save Permissions. Now go back to the campaign. The session, time, complete percentage, and converted leads show 0. Now we will start a new call session by clicking here. You can start a new call session by clicking Start. As you can see, a new call session has been started. The call is in progress with line number 1. Here all the details about line number 1 are shown. Click here to end the call. In the call script, you can all mapped lead fields will be replaced by prospects' information like name and address. So you will ask some questions from the contact and write down all the information here in the notes. Now, if you can see that it can be converted into a lead, simply click on Push to CRM and then finalize the call. So let us do this. Click on Push to CRM. From here, you can see that the action is performed successfully. By clicking on Finalize Call, you can give a tag according to the response you received. Click on Converted as we have pushed it to CRM. Now we will go to the Podio to see that a new seller lead has been generated successfully. Here all the information about the contact is displayed that we have added previously. The notes I added are also shown here. Click on Communications Actions to view all communication history like call, SMS and email. Here the desired property link is also shown. By clicking on it, we can see all the information about the property. If you need a smartphone or SmrtDialer integration with Podio, then reach out to Patronecs for setting it up for you.